Hey George, this is Musa here from LA Mazda, making you a quick video because I noticed that you have around 2,500 and an insane interest rate. So what my goal is to lower your interest rate, but get your Ram onto my lot, get you into a new vehicle. Whether that's an SUV, sedan, or another truck that you're wanting to get into, I'd love to help you out, saving you money, but at the same time giving you a great deal to set you up better in the future. So if this makes sense to you, please give me a shout back. 780-986-9665 is the number to dial. You have a great one.